Welcome to Aberdeen Waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Today, we are going to practice 7-minute basic yoga flow for beginners. This yoga flow will help to make your busy life healing physically. So, grab your mat, and let's begin. Raise your hands towards the sky, to gratitude the universe. With this energy, bend your upper body forward. Keep your palms on the mat, and lift your upper body halfway up. Then, slowly up your upper body, and raise your hands towards the sky. Make your body balance, giving weight to one leg. Spread your hands as wings. Bend your upper leg and catch the toes from your palms. Then, slowly open your chest, while stretching your legs from palm. Nadaraja Asana. Relax. Raise your hands towards the sky. Then, slowly bend forward. And lift your upper body halfway up. Then, slowly up. Raise one hand and bend your opposite leg to come to Santhala Asana. Relax and bring your right leg back. Keep your left leg 90 degrees and right leg 45 degrees. Turning to the left side. Spread both hands and look forward. Raise your hand towards the sky and look up. Come to warrior pose. Now, giving weight to your right foot. Focus to forward. Now, slowly changing to another leg too. Then, turn forward. Open your chest forward and raise your hands toward the sky. Palms down and relax. Straight your left leg and raise your right hand towards the sky. Come to Uttita Parshavottanasana. Relax and bring your left leg back. Come to plank pose. Now, butt up and come to downward facing dog. Then, upper body down and come to upward facing dog. Again, come to downward facing dog. Now slowly come to low plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Then, again come to upward facing dog. Now, sit on the bottom, come to a child pose. Relax. Keep your palms on heels. Open your chest and come toe half camel pose. Then, change to other side too. Half camel pose. Relax. Now, walk 4 steps forward. And keep your chest down. And come into a puppy pose. Giving weight to your elbow. Down your body to come, baby cobra. Keep your palms side on your chest and go into a cobra pose. Tuck your toes and come to downward facing dog. Giving weight to your right palms and toes. Turn your upper body forward. And raise left hand towards the sky. Come to side plank. Then, change to other side too. Relax. Kick your right leg, raise up. Keep your right foot closer to your left knee. Open your chest forward while giving weight to your left palm. Relax. Change to other side too. Come to Chamathkara Asana. Relax. Now, slowly come to Asana 2. And today, yoga flow. Ayubowan.